Hello guys, alright, we are live once again. Let's once again wait just a few seconds until people are going to be joining this stream again. Just a few seconds and let's start with this live stream. Because Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is finally pumping towards the upside, and yes, I've opened this small little position over here, but honestly, like it's so small, I don't even care. Like I would have wished I would have entered a bigger position. It's like right now 1k in a profit, and I'll take it, of course. I'll take it. It's free money, but at the time of this breakout we saw. Well, it was hard to be entering your position because first of all, we saw this fake out. I was waiting for like an hourly close at least. Like at the very least, I was waiting for an hourly close, but we got this fake out right at the beginning. Then we tested it once again, like this level of resistance. We tested it once again, and then eventually we got this breakout, but we didn't get any rejections on the way. It was just straight pumping. No rejections on the way, so yeah, it was very hard for me to get filled. And on breakouts, I do not like to be market ordering my way in. So yeah, close the hourly candle. I think it was right here, and then it just shot up towards the upside. So yeah, I like to be entering my Bitcoin trades more on the way down than during a breakout towards the upside because of this. Because I can get filled way easier. When the market is moving down. But anyways, yeah, didn't quite fill my Bitcoin trade over here. But let me know, guys, if you did take any kind of a profitable trade, because we did call it perfectly. We did call it perfectly, and yes, like I've said, I do have this 1k position, but it's like, yeah, I don't really care. Of course, it's free money. It's nice to have, but yeah, I like to be trading with these bigger amounts. But let me know, guys, if you did take this trade over here, because it was a perfect trade. We have been beautifully calling it. All of the signals were there. Literally, it was so obvious in the charts. We have seen everything pointing towards the fact that we were going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside. Still, funding rates are sitting quite low. On Bybit, they're back at this neutral level again, 0.01%. But Binance, they are still very low. OKX, they are even negative. So that's still suggesting us that we might be headed even higher. Let me have a look into what's the chat. Kiali, welcome to the stream. Artemis, welcome to the stream. Nostalgic, welcome to the stream. Kiali, once again, we need one more good pump. Indeed, we need one more good pump. And what we saw yesterday is actually just some catalysts, right? Of course, all of the charts were already pointing towards the fact that we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside. But we just saw this catalyst, this news coming out that Robert F. Kennedy, of course, dropped out of the election and was endorsing Donald Trump. Donald Trump is, of course, yeah, more kind of bullish for the markets, especially for Bitcoin. He is also definitely saying bullish things about Bitcoin. So this news that we got yesterday was bullish about this. Also, we got let me load it up. There we go. We got this news, this meeting from Jerome Powell, and he actually said that the time has come for policy to adjust, meaning that rate cuts were going to be happening. And because of that, well, the probabilities have been getting adjusted a little bit. And yeah, it has been getting adjusted bullishly. Right now, it's 76% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut in September. So next month, the 18th of September. So yeah, middle of next month, we are going to be seeing this rate cut. It's going to be bullish for the market, but short term, quite bearish. But it just like, we need to be having a look into what's the context of the rate cut. Of course, if unemployment rate is going to be spiking even higher, and because of the unemployment rate, we need to be seeing this rate cut, well, that's going to be bearish, right? But in general, well, rate cuts is going to be bullish for the market. Now, if the causation of the rate cut is going to be bearish, for example, high unemployment rate, that's going to be bearish. So yeah, we need to be having a deeper look into what's this exactly, but we will be doing that a little bit later, not right now. Right now the markets are looking good. Right now the markets are catching up with the stock market, like we have been saying for the past couple of days. We were going to be catching up with the stock market. The stock market has been printing off these new highs while Bitcoin has been consolidating over here. It's been doing nothing. Alright, it's been lagging behind, like I've said right here. But I've said so many times, eventually we are going to be coming up with a catch-up trade. And we are right now exactly in that catch-up trade. Now, in my opinion, we are going to be headed towards that 68k level. That 68k level is going to be my short-term target right here. And Trader PA, welcome to the stream as well. Yo guys, hit up the like button for sure. Hit up that like button. Hi mate, I'm here from Sydney. Welcome Greg to the stream. That's really good for the people indeed. Guys, let me know if you entered any kind of a Bitcoin trade during this breakout over here, because yesterday was absolutely amazing during this pump. And let me know how you're enjoying your weekend right now, because of course we are trading instead of this weekend, and most likely, well, volatility is just going to be lowered for Bitcoin. But what we did see in the past few weekends was always in the end of Sunday, or like in the afternoon on Sunday, volatility was once again starting to increase. So most likely, yeah, we are just going to be repeating the same old pattern again, just consolidating during the weekend over here. But during the end or afternoon of Sunday, we are probably going to be seeing a massive move. Now, usually this massive move has been towards the downside. So let's see. All right, that could be giving us a good opportunity, because in that case, we are going to be creating a CME gap while the trend is very bullish. So that could be a very good opportunity if we are going to be seeing that. But also we can be moving even further towards the upside. In that case, move further bullish towards the upside. And in that case, we are going to be creating that CME gap, of course. But I would not say that a CME gap at this moment with this bullish trend is going to be very bearish. I would just say we are going to be continuing towards the upside regardless. All right. I am having this 68k target right now at my eyes. But also, let's have a look into towards altcoins right now, because Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside. It is looking very good. More tether is being printed. But let's have a look into towards altcoins, because we are just in these beginning phases of the altcoins, in my opinion. I've been showing this chart so many times, and I'm glad I DCA'd a little bit more before the pump, and for sure, glad you did that. But I just think that something like this is going to be next for altcoins. We are right now in this massive bull flag pattern at this current moment, but anytime soon, if we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, I think we are about to be absolutely exploding. Because if we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, that's probably going to be the moment where Bitcoin is also going to be breaking outside of this bull flag pattern. And like I've been sharing so many times, if we are going to be seeing this final wave towards the upside getting created, towards that 100k level for Bitcoin, I think at that moment, the Bitcoin dominance is going to be falling, and really the altcoins are about to explode. So whenever that is going to be happening, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, that 68k level, that's going to be that moment where really the altcoins are going to be exploding like this, in my opinion. And to be honest, we have seen nothing yet for altcoins. Like literally, we are still like 50% down from these all-time highs. Yeah, 45% at this current moment. There are so much gains to be made still with altcoins. So guys, I think we are still pretty early in this cycle. The most amount of gains are always being made in the last part of the cycle. And in the last part of the cycle, always altcoins tend to rally the hardest. And yeah, usually these high gains are being made with altcoins. So let's see what is going to be happening. I definitely do think that a lot of money is about to be made. What do you guys think about Doge? We'll be talking about that in a second. Also, I'm just average degenerate holding 180 million Shiba. There you go, Shiba. I'm seeing some meme coins right there being chilled in the chat, and definitely if we're going to be having a look in towards the top gainers, once again, meme coins are on the rise. All right, Dark Wave Head, Bonk, Pepe, they are on the rise. Once again, meme coins. Now, yesterday I've been buying some more meme coins. It's been absolutely beautiful because yesterday I've been sharing this fact. I think that still meme coins are going to be the best narrative this cycle, and also on top of that AI, and also at the later stages of the cycle, I think that gaming is going to be exploding. And what are we seeing once again? Duck Whip Hat, Bonk, Pepe, and yesterday I've been buying some more Popcat. Right here, up 30% today. My bag is already absolutely exploding. Yesterday, we have been buying it inside of this pump over here, but still up a lot today. I've also been buying some Mark. Right here, also up a lot. So, in general, doing very good. Also, Mew Mew, like I've been talking about it very extensively. Mew Mew is pumping like crazy, but I did not buy any extra Mew Mew. I just was talking about this fact of this trade we were seeing in this chart. Because if we're going to be having a look into this chart over here, you can be very beautifully seeing, look at that. I mean, I've been talking about this breakout over here. I've been talking about this breakout over here, and we've been seeing this beautiful breakout yesterday. It was only sitting at 120 million. So if you did take this trade over here, well, congratulations. You've just made some extra money. But yeah, I've been just talking about this fact yesterday about Mew Mew, that I've already been buying my majority of my bags all the way down here. I've been adding at all of these lows over here, but still, yeah, I do not want to be buying even more at this current level. I already own such a big bag of Mew Mew. On the next leg towards the upside, I think whenever we are going to be filling this wick over here, so at about the 800 million market cap, I'm going to be starting to take some profits. But still, from off this point, that's still going to be like a 300% gain, so a 4x. That's going to be quite insane. But let me know, guys, if you did take this trade over here. In general, we are just making so much money right now. Good trades all across the board. Also, for example, yeah, once again, it's very interesting because the top gainer, once again, also is Fetch AI, Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. And yeah, I've also been talking about this coin a lot recently. Also yesterday, the day before, on my Twitter profile a lot. And right now, it is bouncing like very, very nice. So yeah, gains across the board. Render, love to see it. Jupiter, Sui, Solana also pumping like crazy. Wow, that's looking very good. Stacks. So let's have a look at some altcoins. First of all, let's have a look at Stacks, because Stacks is bouncing. There we go. We are seeing our beginning of this move being created. But let's have a look into our Render, because I have this crazy Render prediction, right? Let me know, guys. Do you think I'm crazy, or do you think as well that this could be actually happening? Do you think I'm crazy, or do you actually think that this could be happening? Sitting at this very good accumulation range over here, right now starting to bounce. And if we are going to be zooming in, we can actually start to have a look into what's some kind of a downtrend being broken at this current moment, right? Here, this downtrend right now currently being broken. Looking very good for Render. Yeah, I just think that a big bounce is going to be inevitable. Something like this is going to be next. Whiff has good potential, and yes, indeed. But I just think that Pepe, like, I just like Pepe more. Pepe just feels a lot more organic to me. And also, yesterday I've been having a look into this chart. Oh, sorry. Pepe against the BTC. I'm doing the same mistake 3 times in a row. I need to have this chart. All right. All right, this is the wrong chart because I need Pepe USD. And then against Bitcoin pair. There we go. And if we're going to be having a look into what's this chart, we can see a very strong uptrend over here, right? And we are just making a new higher low, in my opinion, at this current level. We can be spotting some kind of an uptrend over here, right? But if we're going to be comparing it with BTC, with USD. Yeah, like Whiff is still a little bit more earlier, but Whiff saw this huge pump here at the beginning towards the upside. But right now, it's like it's like in a bearish trend right now, right? So I don't know about Whiff. I just like Pepe a lot more. It feels a lot more organic to me. Whiff, we can be having a look towards maybe some kind of a falling wedge, so that could be bullish for Whiff. But yeah, we just need to be having a look into what's these meme coins against the Bitcoin pair. And Pepe is just showing a lot more strength, in my opinion, against the Bitcoin pair at this current moment. So yeah, I'm buying more Pepe. But if WIF is going to be breaking this one towards the upside, definitely that would be very good. I'm going to be getting a bag of WIF. But let's have a look into what some more altcoins. Because also Bonk. I don't own any Bonk at this current moment, actually. Yeah, Bonk, I mean, these accumulation levels are looking very good, and it is starting to bounce ever so slightly at this current moment. Not seeing a big bounce yet. So definitely that's looking very good. Now, it is testing, yeah, this level of resistance, right? Let me draw it. All right, there we go. So if Bonk can be breaking above this level over here, in that case, I definitely do think we're going to be seeing new highs being created. But once again, I just like Pepe a lot more. I like Pepe the best out of these top 100 meme coins. And I own a lot of Pepe, and then like the other biggest meme coin I own, like in the top 100, is Brad, and after that Popcat. And then like Mew Mew. But Mew Mew is like in the top 300, 400, right? I also still own a lot of Myro. I do like that Myro is going to be... I do think that Myro is going to be seeing a big bounce. Like, wow. I should actually buy some more Myro. Currently sitting at 90 million US dollar market cap. Like, that's a very low. That's very low. Still sitting like at a big accumulation range over here. I mean, it's not showing a lot of strength, right? Pepe is showing a lot more strength, but Myro, I just think like whenever that next wave towards the upside comes for meme coins in general, I just think that these coins can be bouncing like out of nowhere, like crazy amounts. So yeah, I'm just going to be holding it. I'm going to be buying a little bit more at this range over here. Let me make a note. Also, yesterday, by the way, I've been buying this one live on stream. Alright, I've made this note literally live on stream, and I've been saying that I'm going to be buying more right now. And it has been pumping a lot towards the upside ever since yesterday, because we have been buying it like right here, right? At this breakout, and boom. We are already up like crazy amounts at this current moment. Let me very quickly fix one thing, because I'm currently getting called. But we have also been buying another altcoin, which is also up like crazy. All right, there we go. Yeah, yesterday we also made this note about TIA, and TIA is also up like massively. I just think that coins like this at these major accumulation ranges, I think it's looking very good. But honestly, I'm like having doubts, alright? Because at the one side, I want to be buying it towards strength. At the other side, I want to be buying coins that are at these big accumulation ranges like TIA, right? But these coins like TIA, well, they have shown a lot of strength already at the beginning of the cycle. Right now, they have retraced all the way down right here at these accumulation ranges, breaking this downtrend over here right at this current moment. I think it is going to be giving us a good bounce, because it has been showing a lot of strength at the beginning of the cycle already. But also at the same time, I also want to be buying into some strength. So let's have a look into what's a 7-day time frame. What coins are showing strength? And Beam, I love to see it. Beam is showing a lot of strength. Wow, if you have been following me for a longer time, you of course know that I'm very bullish about Beam. And Beam is right now actually at a crucial decision moment, because Beam is trying to be breaking above this trend line over here. And I think this is going to be the only resistance left to be breaking above. Whenever Beam is going to be breaking above this one over here, well then we're going to be, and it is already looking like it is breaking above right now. So we have seen this beautiful deviation, this very important level of accumulation over here. This previous wick found support at that wick, fell down below right here, got resistance from of this level, then broke back above it, a little bit of a double bottom, call this a deviation, and boom, once again, moving towards the upside, breaking above this downtrend over here. Looking very good for Beam. And I just think that fundamentally speaking as well, Beam is going to be a very, very strong altcoin. And also, just like say, at the beginning of the stages of this cycle, we have seen big pumps. And right here, this whole pump actually got retraced back towards the downside. Literally, we retraced this whole pump, and literally everyone wanted to be buying these coins at these highs, but right now, whenever it's retraced, nobody wants to be buying it anymore. But I'm actually buying it. I am buying it right now, and yes, indeed, nostalgic. You are saying literally every chart is bullish, and indeed, every chart at this current moment is looking bullish. But honestly, not every chart. You still need to be doing some proper research, right? Yeah, Phantom also up like crazy. Love to see it. Render, once again. Render is going to be my top AI coin on top of Fetch AI. Yeah, love to see it. Literally, all of my holds are right now in the top gainers. And like all of the coins I'm not holding, they are not in the top gainers. Except Caspa. Except Caspa. But I don't know what Caspa is doing. Look, Caspa is showing strength when Bitcoin is showing weakness. But Caspa is like showing weakness when Bitcoin is showing strength. So it's like kind of the reverse of Bitcoin. It's looking like. Yeah, but it's crazy. I'm holding off the top gainers. Off the top losers, I'm not holding. So that's kind of crazy. Guys, we are live right now with 55 live viewers. Make sure to press up the like button. Thank you a lot for that. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the live chat, because I'm going to be going over it. Can you look at Fox Shapeshift, please? Let's have a quick look. Fox Shapeshift. 28 million market cap. All right. Sitting at a low market cap, but this is what I don't like already. This is what I don't like already. Like it has been so overvalued in the last bull market. It's not a shiny coin anymore. I like shiny coins that have launched during this cycle, or at least during the bear market. These coins tend to be performing the best, and not like these coins from the last cycle, to be honest. And yeah, if you're going to be having a look into what's the website. Website is looking good at the first sight, but yeah, you need to be doing some proper research about it. Like, I don't know, it's sitting still at these lows, not showing any kind of strength at the current moment. I'm not buying in towards it. Well, a lot of alts, because they have taken a beating. Indeed, a lot of alts are down like massively, and that's also what we can be seeing in this chart over here, 2 to 3. Look, this is like the general chart, the average chart of most of the altcoins, right? This is like the average chart. And yeah, some coins have started over here. Some coins started over here, right? If the coin has launched over here, this was like the average, right? Retrace the whole pump. But like, what's about to come is crazy in my opinion. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin moving very boring. Of course, during a weekend, volatility is going to be lower, and that is, of course, to be expected. This is exactly what happens every single weekend. Let me take a look. Yeah, Mew Mew, like, oh my gosh. This coin is making me so much money. Love to see it. Any thoughts, TA, on G Swift, RCNX, and CHRP? I don't know these coins. Let's very quickly search it up on GameSwift. I do know. Yeah, down a lot. I don't know. It's not showing any strength. Gaming narrative is not really there. It's going to be coming later in the cycle. On the Arbitrum chain, that's very good. I like the branding. It would be a coin I would have a very small bag in, but just to hope for 100x. But in my opinion, yeah, I'm not going to be betting any big amounts on coins like that. Let's have a look at your other coin, ICNX. Also low market cap, same story. Not showing strength. A gaming coin, once again. So yeah, later in the cycle, probably will be doing good. Probably it will. CRHP. Also, even lower market cap. Alright, and this chart is a little bit better, in my opinion. I like this chart a little bit more. Also, AI narrative. Yeah. I like the branding. Like, this is like the best pick out of these three, in my opinion. Anyhow, about IO USD. Let's have a look. I think you're talking about this one, right? Because this is like the most popular IO coin. Very high fully diluted value. So that's bad. But it's showing like all of these like high fully diluted value market cap coins. They're showing the same exact pattern. Just like I would like to show you Sui. For example, Sui at the early stages, it just went towards the downside, created this accumulation range, rounding bottom, right? And then boom, it was bottomed out, and then it got above these highs over here. I think same thing is going to be happening with all of these VC pumped coins like IO. So yeah, if it is showing like a rounding bottom, that's going to be bullish. Yeah, like we could see it from this point, or we could see one more push towards the downside, then go towards the upside. So either right now, or push towards the downside, then bomb. But I'm not going to be buying it right now. I do think it was like AI narrative, right? It's on the Solana chain, so that's good. Oh yeah, the internet of GPUs. That's like a bullish narrative. If this narrative is going to be returning towards the market, definitely this is looking very good. Loom coin. Loom network. Yeah. To be honest, I don't like this chart. Branding is nice. It's looking good. Once again, another gaming project. Gaming narrative is not really here at its current moment, but like I've said, probably gaming is going to be returning. Like, but later in the cycle. Not right now, but later in the cycle. Bitcoin dumping a little bit towards the downside. Yeah, just consolidation at around its semi-close price. Going to be very likely. Define later in the cycle, like whenever all of the retail is going to be returning, right? Retail is going to be buying in towards these gaming coins. And retail usually arrives during the last part of the cycle. So yeah, later in the cycle, I mean, whenever everything is going to be going crazy like this, then boom, like this wave over here, gaming coins are about to explode. This first wave over here, like for example, meme coins, layer ones, AI coins are about to explode. This last wave, everything is exploding, including gaming. Like that's how the market works. What about Turbo meme coin? I like the meme a lot. Let's have a look into what's the chart. Yeah, chart is looking good. Chart is looking very good. So good listings. No Bybit listing. No Bybit listing. Wow, that's crazy. Kraken. But no Bybit. Alright. That's crazy, but let's have a look into what's the chart. Yeah, that's crazy. Charted it all the way down there. This is like a good chart for a meme coin. To be honest, for example, I like Popcat more. But like, you want to be seeing these accumulation ranges. It's on Bybit, alright, yeah. I'm missing it here, but I also thought so. But you want to be seeing this uptrend, right? Like a big uptrend. And like good accumulation range during these ranges. And then you want to be buying in towards it. So definitely, this is going to be a good level in my opinion. Like, it could be headed a little bit lower. Just it depends on what the Bitcoin market is about to do, right? If Bitcoin is about to explode, well, of course, this coin is also about to explode. But if we're going to be seeing some more further consolidation, like just having a look into what's this chart, I do think we could be seeing a little bit more of a downturn. But this would be a coin I would be interested in buying, for sure. But like, for example, Popcat. Yesterday we've been buying even more Popcat live in the stream. Like, this is also a very good chart. Right? Boom. I like it. Or, for example, like Mark. I think these are going to be the coins which out of nowhere are going to be pulling like these crazy gains, right? Or like Mew Mew, of course. Boom. It's going parabolic. It's going parabolic, guys. Let's roll it. This coin is going parabolic. Boom. Crazy. Right now creating its next leg up. Floki, let's have a look. Floki, Optimism, and Dog with Hat. Yeah, so Floki is a coin from last cycle, which I don't like. Just like, for example, Doge. I like these new shiny objects. For example, this coin launched this cycle. Mark launched this cycle. Popcat launched this cycle. That's what I like. Pepe is already like... It's like an old coin. Or I mean Dogecoin, I'm sorry. Pepe is also like a shiny new coin. It launched this cycle, which I like. But Optimism also definitely launched this cycle. But Optimism is like a layer 2 with a lot of inflation, like you can be seeing over here. Now, I do think it is still going to be doing good. Good accumulation ranges at this current moment. Let's roll it. Let's roll it. There we go. And then we're having like here level of resistance, right? But optimism definitely is going to be a good hold. Let's have a look into what's the chat. For the end of the bull market, what indicators are you going to use for signs that you should start taking profits? And on what time frame? So I've actually, if you go to my channel, I'm going to tell you exactly. But also if you go to my channel, here, this video over here, it's for platinum members on my channel. You can be watching exactly what I think is going to be happening with the Bitcoin top, when I'm going to be taking my profits, my exact strategy, all of it, like literally all of it. So first of all, watch this video exactly, and you'll be knowing what I think about the markets, where I'm going to be taking my profits, all of that. But yeah, there's going to be a few indications on the chart. For example, first of all, we're having this level of resistance over here. Then second of all, we're having extension levels. Let me quickly draw it. Depends on how you want to be drawing it. You can be taking it from this wave, But if we're going to be taking it from the bear market, boom, till this point, boom. All right. Then that 0.618 level is going to be confluencing with this level over here. So yeah, these are going to be just some technical indications. And then on top of that, we can also have a look into what's Glassnode indicators. We'll be doing that as well, definitely. And actually, if you go back towards my channel videos and oldest, you can see right here during the previous cycle, I was still very young, but you can see that on-chain data top, boom, 3 years ago. I used on-chain indicators to be predicting that top, and I will definitely be doing that once again. Bitcoin said, screw it, let's go higher for sure. I mean, it's been lagging behind the stock market, right? Right now, finally, that catch-up trade is starting to happen. Like I shared many, many times. Yo, nice to see you live again. Thank you so much. Nice to be having you. I just hope that Doge can touch a buck. And it could be possible, of course, whenever all of the retail is going to be flowing back into what's the cycle. You know, like, yeah, of course, coins like Doge are also going to be exploding. Like, everything is just going to be exploding. Just like I shared here. In the last part of the cycle, like, everything is just going to be exploding, of course. Here, in this wave over here, boom, everything is just going to pop. Like, also Doge. But I just want to be investing in these, yeah, like new coins, these newer shiny objects. I think these are going to be performing the best. So let's have a look. Bitcoin is not doing a lot at this current moment. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is not doing a lot. Caspa would touch $1 this cycle. Yes, for sure, of course. Caspa is going to be touching $1 easily. Let's have a look into what's the chart of Caspa. Caspa is also like one of my top holds. Yeah, Caspa beautifully found support over here. Like, it's still lagging behind. Caspa is still lagging behind. It's still waiting to be breaking this level of resistance over here. Whenever it does, boom. Alright, we just need to be getting back above this level over here. get back above this level and boom, or once again off. Now for Kaspa, we can actually start to have a look into what's, I don't know. It's ugly. I'm definitely still very bullish on Kaspa. Just by Bitcoin and Kaspa retire in 2028, for sure. I think there are also other coins with better gains to be made. So, but definitely Kaspa and Bitcoin are going to be like the longer term good holds, right? Longer term, they are going to be outperforming the markets. But right now, in that short term, just altcoins are a great way to accumulate some more money. Our aura, please. Let's have a look. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, 70 million market cap, looking good. Oh yeah, gosh, this chart is like I don't know what to say about it. Like honestly, this is looking like trash. Like maybe if you're just going to be having a look into what's this cycle, it's looking okay. But yeah, it's just going from a previous cycle, which I don't like. What is this coin even, like layer 1? I don't know about it. I don't know about it. Octaspace, it's of course an AI coin. Looking very good, nice and healthy uptrend. Sitting at a good trend line right now. Here. Sitting at a good level right now at this current moment. Yeah, definitely. This coin is nice. What's the market cap? 54 million. All right. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Like, it's not the best out there, but definitely on the AI hype, this is going to be like a gem, which could be performing very good. Please take a look at Brad and Manta. Let's have a look into what's Brad. Brad is one of my favorite coins. Brad has made me like so much money this cycle. Literally whenever, like, I still remember it very correctly. Like, everyone was selling their bread right over here. There was a lot of FUD about this project, but I shared publicly on my Twitter that I was buying a lot of bread. And boom, it shot up like crazy. And literally, I was only selling the top. I was selling 16 cents, 15 cents, 17 cents, like. Yeah, right now sitting at a great level of support. So same thing could be happening, but I don't know. I just think it is going to be consolidating for a longer while. And then at the end of the bull market, it's still going to be exploding like crazy. I'm still holding quite a lot of bread. And this year end to 2025, it takes some time for sure. People are even expecting gas to touch $5. I don't know if that's even possible. Yeah, I also think it's going to be reaching like at least $3. Like, yeah. Could be very possible. Like, these things can go like parabolic, exponential very, very quickly out of nowhere. It's definitely possible. I want to buy meme coins that haven't seen a good pump till now. Any suggestions? I don't know. I think with meme coins, it's better to buy into strength. With meme coins, it's better to buy into strength. That's what I've found. Like, these coins which are dying off, it's better not to touch them because whenever they're dying off, they will usually continue to do so. Whenever a coin is winning and showing strength, it will continue to do so and continue to win and continue to show strength. Miggles, please. This coin. Yeah, I still remember like people calling it from the official base chain devs. Like, I don't know. Maybe it could be true, maybe not. I don't know about it. But yeah, I'm not touching it. Looks like Zeta Chain or Kava. Well, I just know Kava is like a very, very bad coin. Look at that. Like, and look at this. Literally reaching new optimize. Well, the price is like down bad. Like, look at that inflation. I'm staying away from this. Anything about Arbitrum? Also one of my top holds. I think Arbitrum is right now like not performing very good. But eventually it has to. Like, it has to. Maybe breaking some kind of a downtrend right now. Eventually a coin like this has to see a big pump, right? I don't know. Like, once again, maybe it's better to just buy into strength. But I just like the coin. I like the coin Arbitrum and I bought a lot of it. Like, honestly, I bought a lot of my coins right there. Also bought some over here, but most of it right here. And right now, just a little bit right there. Been DCAing a little bit more. But honestly, I'm just waiting for a big bounce for this coin over here. I'm not too sure. I'm just holding it. I just think that eventually it is going to be seeing a bounce. But yeah, just look at the market cap chart for ARP. Really, is it that bad? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, the market cap chart. Yeah, look at that inflation. Like, all right. Yeah, maybe for like Arbitrum, it's better to just take my loss. Rotate it in towards coins with strength. But also at the same time, like, optimism is the same, right? Boom. Also did the same at the early stages and still went higher. All right, anyways. Guys, quick and fast live stream for today. For Bitcoin, nothing much is happening right now. Just consolidation, I do think so. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching once again. Tomorrow, probably another live stream. So make sure to check it out. Anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that first link down below, because you know the drill. You can be claiming this $500 free trade and also a $30,000 deposit bonus. Also, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another live stream and video tomorrow morning. Bye bye.